Hi, my name is Jessica Clark, and I'm a graduate student at San Jose State University School of Information. I wanted to create a tutorial for fellow students who would like to save their coursework after the end of each semester. Students should be saving all of their coursework for their e-portfolios. This tutorial is broken down into 3 sections: saving your assignments, saving your discussion posts, and saving your grades. Let's start with saving your assignments. The first thing that I like to do is create my folders. I like to clearly label my folders with the semester that I'm wrapping up, the year of the semester, and also the name of the course, the section number, and the titles clearly for each course. I keep these folders during the semester, and you could put, obviously work that you're working on, work in progress work, but for this purpose, I like to keep a graded coursework folder in there for each class so that when I'm saving at the end of the semester, I can put everything in these folders, and then I know when I'm working on my EAT portfolio that these assignments that are in these folders are the ones that have been graded and are completed, and that any comments from my professors apply to these papers, not the ones work in progress papers. So I'm going to start out by going to Canvas, and what I like to do at the end of each semester is go over here to the courses and go all the way down to view all courses. So you can see all your courses that are active and find the semester that you're saving your work. So here's all my summer 2018 classes, and I click on one. And to save my assignments, I'm going to go to Assignments. And I'm just really going to go through all of them in order and save them all right here. So I click on the first one, and I go over here to download. So I'm just going to start downloading these. Okay, some of these, the layouts will be will look different depending on how the professor set up his assignments. Okay, so then I'm going to go to my downloads folder, and I'm going to move these right into the folder that I created, the graded coursework folder for this course. Next, we're going to talk about saving your discussion posts. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is save all of my discussion posts. I think this will be very helpful, and we're going to need them when we do our e-portfolio. So go ahead and click on Discussions, and we're just going to go down and grab pretty much all of our discussion posts that we worked on this semester for each course. It's probably best to do them in order. So what I like to do is I like to grab the question, or I like to have the question in my post so it's easy to read when we go back to grab them for our e-portfolio. So find yourself, so do Control F and find yourself, and see I've put the question in my post. And I also saved the date just to have everything, to capture everything. And I post all of my discussion board posts in a document, discussion board post, saved in your folder for the class. So I just copy paste each one. I know a lot of people like to also find any of their replies and save those in the document as well to have for your e-portfolio. So just go ahead and click on each one and find yourself. And for this one, I could see here that I didn't capture the question, right? So I'm going to go back, and and I'm going to grab the question. So if, in this case, he provided a document. So go ahead and save whatever bits of the question he or she provided so you can see the context of your question. And then I just really go through and I save all of my discussion posts to this document, and I keep it in my folder, and I do that for each course. And finally, we're going to talk about saving your grades. One thing that I think is very valuable to save in your folders for your e-portfolio and also just for your own records is your grades and your professor's comments. So for that, you click on Grades and go ahead and collapse Show All Details, because I think that keeping your professor's comments is valuable for both, yourself, for your archive, and for when you're working on your e-portfolio selecting your best work. So go ahead and click Print and save these as a PDF in your folder that you created for your course. Thank you very much for taking a minute of your time to watch my tutorial on how to save your coursework from the Canvas website. I recommend saving all of the syllabi from each of your courses, archiving all of your email from Canvas and your professors, and saving drafts of your work throughout the semester. I advise saving your completed work on both your hard drive and a cloud service. All of the royalty-free images from this tutorial are from unsplash.com, and I will provide a link in the description. Special thanks to Debbie for her peer mentor guidance, and please post any comments or questions below. Good luck to all of my fellow grad school students, and I look forward to working with you in the future. Goodbye.